Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Dollar Tree haul at the Lovely Lab. Yes, that's right. We're doing a Dollar Tree haul today. So, as you guys know, I typically like to do a budget run at the Dollar Tree of $20 or less. I went a little over budget this week, but it's okay because Mama needed a few personal items, and so it is what it is. Anyways, I'm going to hop right into it. Now, if you're new to the channel and you like crafting on a budget, you know, a few hauls here and there, paper crafting and the likes, journaling, blah, 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 then this is the channel for you. Go ahead and click that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Heaven forbid, you know. All right. And for those who are not new to the channel and have been following along on this crafty journey, thanks so much for being a part of this family and for riding. All right. Anyways, let's hop right on into it. So I went to the Dollar Tree. Josh was in exams this week, off-site, state exams. And so while he was in one of his tests, I went to the it was at a local college, about 15-20 minutes away from my home. So I stopped at the Dollar Tree near there, and they had a few items that wasn't there before. One of them was plenty of cutting boards, because the last time I went, they didn't have a single one of them, and we were completely out of the smaller countertop ones. So when I did find them, and it wasn't at Dollar Tree, I stocked up on them. So that's just a testament to the fact that you need to regularly stop into those places if you're trying to purchase things on a budget, because they're here today, gone tomorrow, or back again the next day. Anyway, so I let's see what I picked up. I grabbed some paper plates because, you know, this is the end of the year. Plenty of projects, plenty of classwork assignments that are due. Mama ain't got time to be washing all of them dishes, and so and Josh, he ain't gonna wash them. Hubby may, Josh ain't. So in an effort to kind of keep me from not having to stand in that kitchen and be here at the crafting space a little more often, I went on ahead and purchased some paper plates. So I think they came 16 to a pack. And then I've done a few of these items. Quite a bit of this is house related. So this is the basting brush. We had the bristle brush, and I can't stand it because when you have the barbecue sauce up in here, you can never quite get it clean, and then there's metal somewhere in there. So my thought is, at some point, that metal with water and the constant use and vinegar and in the sauces, it's got to deteriorate, and you can't tell me that rust isn't going into the food. I may be overthinking it, but that's just my thought. Okay, now so I went on ahead and I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna grab the other one out the kitchen. I'm gonna throw it away, and I'll put this in its place and see what my husband say. If he don't say nothing, I'm gonna go out and grab a couple more. And we barbecue all throughout the year. We're in Georgia, so it is what it is. And then I have been looking for these for quite some time. This is not craft related. A butter dish, because I don't like butter floating around in my in that thing on the door in the kitchen. A stick of butter, I can't stand it. Nevertheless, when you have men in the home and they don't take the same care that women do to put things in and out, you end up with messes everywhere. So this is just a way for me to not have a mess inside my refrigerator, which I probably still will, but not related to the butter dish or the margarine or whatever. Okay, and so I think that is the last. Well, let me see. Okay, no. Okay, so now we'll move on to what I originally came there for, because I originally came there to get some decor for the front of our house. Hubby had went ahead and redid our, he replaced the wooden, you know, garden pieces that kind of trim out your hedges, you know, whatever. I'm not versed in garden decor. Anyways, and he painted them this beautiful navy blue, and he also accented some other pieces in the front of our home with navy blue. So I picked up that to put down as a planter. And remember, I said I wanted to well, I didn't tell you, but I wanted to make a a memorial garden for my daughter. So I went on ahead and put the cross out there in the front of the yard. I also picked up this, look for angels in your life, they are everywhere. So that'll go outside on the wall on one side of our front door. Right? And then, y'all, Josh is supposed to be sitting in class doing his homework. You know he is standing right by so he can put his hands on everything I pull out these bags, because he don't know what I got, because he was in class and I got it. He's so nosy like his mother. Okay, so I picked up three of these because quite often when we're working on projects, we've got, embellishments in one, a pile of embellishments, a pile of die cuts, a pile of button, and it just be a bit much going on and rolling all over the place. Also, when I'm making jewelry, I don't like to have all of my findings rolling around. I like to kind of like put the bracelets, put a whole set of what I'm working with in one place, and that's that. I do have trays for that, but it's already got other work that takes more than one sitting to finish. But anyway, so my plan is to decoupage these and to use these here in the art in the Lovely Lab. And so the dimensions on this is, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 3/4 by 1 2 3 4 by 5, and that's a good size, as you can see by my hand. So I got 3 of those. I was thinking about maybe making a little like a shelving unit to hold them, but I'm not going to. It's not that serious, unless of course I see that that's probably something I should do. I also saw this at the checkout, and you know how it is when you're like fussy cutting and things that means you just want put this at the edge of the table, swoop everything in, and then dump it later. So I don't need it. I didn't need it, but I thought it was cute. Yeah, I know how that goes. Let's see. Okay. Now let me show you something else that I got that has nothing to do with crafting. I need some mascara. I'm not doing lashes. Maybe I'll try it in the summertime, but for now, my eyes are so sensitive. I'll get a sty when my mascara is like 2 months old. Anytime I use something near my eye, whether it's eyeliner, mascara, or whatever, so I constantly have to replace them. So I figured, let me use this one. It says thickens lashes with a volumizing brush. Yeah, and that's by LA Colors. And then the Freeman Detoxifying Charcoal Mud Mask. Got that because I do a facial once a week, and then on the weekend I'll just like tone it up or whatever. I got this Argan Repairing Oil because I need to condition my hair. Okay, summertime is coming, and I've got to be fabulous. Fam the Fabulous has got to keep up with that name. I mean, I just can't be running around here looking crazy, which I do every day. I also picked up this Kiss gel nail polish. Did y'all see that? Did y'all notice that I painted my nails? Did you? I'm trying to look. As you can tell, I'm left-handed. Because just trying to paint that with my right hand, and to be honest with you, I started doing a manicure yesterday, so I was like, let me go ahead and paint my nails. So as I was painting my nails, I turned on YouTube, and I saw Felicia from where baking and crafting meets. Check out her channel. She was making some autism awareness ribbons, and her nails were fabulous. I said, oh, okay. So now we're doing designs here with the crafting channel. Okay, all right. For now, just manicuring them and making sure they're decent and painted is really all that I can do. Y'all just have to pray for your sister that, the Lord gives her the strength, energy, and time and desire to step it up any further than that. All right, so now let's move on to the few crafting items that I actually got. So I picked up this 3D fabric paint. My thought was, it says 3D, okay, and permanent. So if it's 3D, that means that it's a possibility that it rises up some, right? And if it rises up some, it can be used on mixed media projects or even card making. So I got the black, and then I also got the white because those are the 2 colors that I most often accent anything with. And then I also got this organizer box because let's see, where is it at? Okay, inside of my jewelry toolbox. It's not really a toolbox, but it's just where I house my tools and stuff. Is where some of my jump rings are. I have jump rings in here, and then I have jump rings in one of those jewelry cases y'all saw and probably watched. Anyways, I have quite a bit of findings, and they kind of need to just be, especially the ones that I use every day, they really need to be centrally located and in something that I can just grab along with the other storage containers and just, be done with it. All right, so, and then I also saw this disappearing purple adhesive spray by Elmer's. Now that is something new to me. I have not seen that before. So I'm curious to know, when we see a glue, we've got to jump right on it. And I am no exception to that rule. So I picked that up. Let me know if you want to see how that works. I'm more than happy to try that out for you and with you. I picked up another piercing and scoring tool set because when I make my jewelry cards for the bracelets that have been going out quite often, actually, which I'm blessed, I'm thankful and grateful for. The one tool that I have is what I've been using is this, and this is a jewelry. This is a bead reamer, so it graduates up, which is great. But the only problem is that you don't always get a uniform hole. Not that that's a big deal, because we do handcrafted here, but I do like to have consistency. So I figured I could use this. Let's see if you can see it. This one right here for the holes. You'll see what I'm talking about in the upcoming video. Then they also had the crafter square. I had this and bought this for the last the giveaway. But I think it's in the giveaway box. It went out in the giveaway. So I needed one for myself. So therefore I got myself one. And then I saw these cute little planner stickers. Now, I'm not a cutesy type of planner girl. That's not really me. But I said to myself, why can't I? Why can't my planner be cute and from time to time? Now, granted, mostly it's, Christian inspiration type things. Stay encouraged and all of that stuff. But every once in a while, I don't think it would hurt for me to have something cute and fun and, shiny and shimmery in there. And why not for $1? I mean, it's just a week worth of stickers. I mean, you know what I mean? I'm only looking at one layout for a week. I thought these are really cute. And I'm quite sure they've been out for a while. I just committed to using them this week. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so, and then with that, for that, to go along with that, I got this cute little pen. Isn't that cute? And it actually writes really nice too. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me see. It's a very smooth writing pen, so if you see it. Very nice indeed. Alright. So anyways, guys, that is what I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I hope this has inspired you to stop out to your Dollar Tree with a budget before you leave out of your home. Don't go out there with your credit card thinking, I'm only going to spend $10 and then come back home with like $50 worth of merchandise, regretting that whole visit. Because that is not what I'm encouraging you guys to do. That's not. I'm saying go there with a budget and see what goods they have. See what you can use, whether it's for crafting or for your home. All right. And of course, I don't get nothing from this video. It's not like I'm a Dollar Tree associate or affiliated account. I don't think anybody has that. Anyways, all that being said, guys, until we're back here together on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. And by the way, one more, let me just go ahead and say it. Please continue to wear your masks and wash your hands. Keep 6 feet of distance from strangers. I'm not kidding. Okay. Anyways, guys, bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.